Ever wanted to build your own Android app, but the moment you opened Android Studio, everything felt too confusing and complicated? Strange setup steps, random errors, and thousands of lines of code everywhere. It felt like you need to be a professional developer just to get started, so most people simply give up before building anything. But now, Google has changed that completely. Inside Google AI Studio, you can now build real Android apps just by describing your idea to AI. No coding, no complicated setup, just prompts. Simply type what you want, like you're chatting with a friend, and the AI helps turn your idea into a real working app. And in this video, you'll see how anyone, even complete beginners, can build their own Android app using only Google AI Studio. So let's jump in and see how this actually works. So we are on the homepage of the completely rebranded Google AI Studio, and if you notice, Google has now added access to their latest Gemini 3.5 Flash model directly inside AI Studio. This is the AI model that powers much of the app building experience, helping you turn simple ideas and prompts into real working applications. For this demo, I gave Google AI Studio a simple prompt to build an expense tracker Android app. Create a clean and fully functional expense tracker Android app where users can add income and expenses, choose categories, view transaction history, and track their total balance. Include simple charts or progress visuals, monthly summaries, search and filter options, dark mode, and modern responsive UI with local data storage, and selected the Build an Android app option. And within minutes, Google AI Studio started turning that single prompt into a real Android application. It began creating the app structure and generating screens automatically in the background. You can also see that it suggests multiple design previews for the app. If you like one of them, you can simply select it. And if you don't like any of them, you can just skip for now. The best part is that later on, you can continue refining the app using follow-up prompts and ask the AI to completely change the design, layout, colors, or overall style of the app. For this demo, I'm just going to pick one of these design previews and continue with the app generation process. And now the AI starts working on the app in the background. You can actually see it creating files, setting up the project structure, building the app functionality, and compiling everything automatically. What's interesting is that Google AI Studio also explains what it's building step by step, so even if you're not a developer, you can still understand what's happening behind the scenes. And honestly, this is the part that feels kind of unreal. A few years ago, building an Android app like this would require learning programming languages, databases, app architecture, UI design, and Android development tools. But now, AI is handling most of that heavy lifting for you from just a single prompt without writing a single line of code. And in just a few minutes, the first version of our Android app is ready. We can quickly test it by navigating through different screens and tapping various buttons, and it seems to be working pretty well for a first AI-generated version. Now, obviously, the app may still have some bugs or functionality issues, which you can improve later using follow-up prompts. But what's really impressive here is how quickly AI was able to turn a simple text prompt into a real working Android app using Google AI Studio, without writing a single line of code. Once the app is ready, now comes the most exciting part, installing it directly onto your Android phone. And surprisingly, Google has made this process pretty simple as well. You just need to follow these 4 quick steps, and your AI-generated app will be ready to run on your device, just like a normal Android app. First, you need to enable developer mode on your phone. To do that, go to Settings, About Phone, and tap the build number 7 times. This unlocks Android's developer features. Next, go to Developer Options and enable USB debugging. This basically allows your computer and Google AI Studio to communicate with your phone and install the app. Then, connect your Android phone to your computer using a USB cable. Your phone may ask for permission to allow debugging. Simply tap Allow. And finally, click the Install button inside Google AI Studio, and within seconds, the app gets installed directly onto your device. I've already completed steps 1, 2, and 3. So now for the final step, I'll simply click the Install via USB button inside Google AI Studio. As soon as I click it, a pop-up appears showing the connected Android device. You just need to select it and click Connect. Once the connection is approved, Google AI Studio immediately starts sending the app and begins the installation process automatically in the background. And you can see that the APK file installation process has already started. Within just a few minutes, the app gets successfully installed, just like any normal Android app. And honestly, this part feels really exciting, because just a few minutes ago, this app was only a simple text prompt, and now it's running on a real device. And there we go! As it gets installed successfully, we open it on the Android device, and everything looks exactly the same as it did inside Google AI Studio. And when we tap around, everything works just as expected. Honestly, that is genuinely mind-blowing to see, because just a few minutes ago, this didn't exist at all. It was only a simple idea written in a prompt. We didn't write any code, we didn't set up Android Studio, and we didn't deal with any complicated development process. We just described what we wanted, and AI turned it into a working Android app. And this is exactly what's changing everything right now. This is vibe coding, where you're not thinking in code anymore. You're thinking in ideas, behavior, and experience. You describe the app, AI builds it, and you refine it until it matches your vision. And once you see it in action like this, it becomes very clear. Building apps is no longer just for developers. It's becoming something anyone with an idea can do. This is a completely new way of building apps. And it's only going to get better, faster, and more powerful from here. Because the real advantage now isn't coding skills, it's having a clear idea of what you want to build. Today, Google AI Studio is still evolving, and it may not handle highly complex Android apps perfectly, but that capability will improve rapidly over time. And that's the real shift. Non-technical founders, vibe coders, and beginners can now go from idea to working product without writing code, without hiring developers, and without heavy upfront cost. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to build with AI. And don't forget to subscribe to WeCodeNoCode and hit the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. I've got a lot more exciting AI and no-code projects, tools, and demos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.